Mahirap ang pamumuhay farmer.
Marami ring kailangan ang pag-organic farming.
Kasi talagang ang pag-organic, talagang mahirap. Talagang kung hindi ka matyaga, hindi mo magagawa.
Pag tagulan, laging sira yung mga tanim, lalo na wala kaming ganyan sira-sira yung mga greenhouse namin.
Kailangan na kailangan namin yung greenhouse tsaka patubig.
Shallow well para mailapit namin sa aming mga bakuran at malapit ang pagdidilig.
Pag tagulan naman, wala kaming magagawa sa mga halaman namin.
Kung halimbawa, isang linggong uulan, bagsak po lahat ang dahon, masisira talaga. Wala na po kaming mapapakinabangan. Yung 2 buwan, 3 buwan namin pinaghirapan, mababali wala po.
Kailangan kasi namin ng kapital para maipagpatuloy namin ang aming paghahalaman.
The farmers need basic infrastructure like greenhouses and irrigation facilities to make sure they keep delivering beautiful, fresh produce to you. And we found this a great opportunity to do a brilliant social venture called Fund a Farmer. It's so exciting because it's another expression of community shared agriculture. How does it work? Basically, your contribution, your small contribution, goes into a revolving fund, the Good Food Community Fund, and that amount of money is matched with a farmer to build or improve their basic infrastructure. This allows them to continue delivering more times in the year your fresh, beautiful produce, and the repayments are made as a fraction of what they do deliver, so it's not burdensome to them at all. In fact, it's incredibly empowering for a farmer to be able to repay back a loan. So there, and the money just keeps going around. They're going to be able to help other farmers as well or improve further with that basic push up. So there, be part of the change, be part of the community, and just go to the website to fund a farmer. Thank you.